Ingredients are milk, tea, sugar, honey, butter, salt, baking powder, ceria, flour, egg, and egg. Put flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder into a bowl. An egg, put a cup of milk and mix up. Add the liquid butter into the dough and mix again until smooth. Next, put a spoonful of dough into a pan. Wait until small bubble comes round out. Wait until 30 seconds. Leave and start on plate. Add honey and also chocolate sprinkle. The pancake ready to be served. I will make iced tea. Put the tea powder into a glass. Add water and mix. Add ice cubes. Iced tea ready to drink.
Kampung